Excellent!
Hey guys, Jeff Dickinson here. Welcome back to the Collector's Zone. And man, check this out. I was on the hunt for the longest time for a 1980s camcorder. Look what I got! It just came in today. So we're gonna unbox this bad boy. This is going to be killer. Well guys, I'm stoked. So I've been shopping around for quite so many years to find a camcorder, VHS style if possible, that was not in bad condition, that was kept up. And these things are super expensive. When I used to sell them, when I used to work at Dillard's. So this guy packed it up pretty cool. Take away the little invoice. There you go. Yep. That's right. It's a JVC. I really was after the... let me do this here. Didn't mean to shake up the camera. I was after a Back to the Future style one. So, okay. So let's do this. Hang tight, I'll be right back. Okay, what I wanted to do is do an overview look here. So, he said this is a full equipped camera. So it's got like a strap and stuff here. Alright, cool. I was trying not to take everything apart, but just want to double check everything. I did get this off of eBay, and an older gentleman had owned this. Even said he had new tape in there, and sure enough, a new VHS tape, VHS-C. This is a 1987, I believe he said. So I guess, how do you... Let's see here, hold on. Does this? Oh, okay, hold on. I see what happened. Oh, wow. Okay. So how does this fully open? There's this, like a little key lock thing here. Oh, okay, I see. So underneath here is a adapter, a cassette adapter. Man, this is nice. It comes in a little case. Let me show you what that looks like. I'm curious too. Oh wow, that is awesome. All right. So you got this adapter, tape. I wonder, so you have to push these two in here to open this up. Okay. All right. And there's instructions inside. Check this out. Instructions. Oh, well, I already got the camera fixed. Sorry. Well, trust me, there's weird instructions right there. All right, so strap. The original booklet. And this is nice. It's got all the cabling there. Everything's strapped in really good here. Wow. Super cool. And there's a battery here. So we got to check that out. There's the battery charger, adapters to connect it to the TV. All the cabling looks good. Even a cable here to connect it. Wow, pretty awesome. Hang tight here for a second. Okay, had to fix the camera a little bit. But yeah, like right here is instructions. Tells you how to open the case inside the case. That's freaking nuts. So what I want to do here next, let me lower this a little bit here, is see if this turns on. You say everything works. It's been forever since I sold one of these. Like literally since the late 80s, early 90s. I think. Or maybe it goes this way. Huh, there we go. Alright. So, quick view. It's got a little viewfinder thing here. Record. There's not tape in there. Let's see here. Where's it? That power? I wonder, or maybe it's a record. I gotta read up on this. You know, I used to sell these. You would think that I would remember. But yeah, it is really cool. The JVC. It's in very good condition. Looks like it had like a grip thing there. There's your serial number. Pretty cool. You got your handle. Oh, there's power. No, maybe I gotta charge it. Well, there you go. I had wanted a camcorder. Never had one because they're way too expensive back in the days, and got this on eBay. And you know what? I only paid $40 plus $30 for shipping. Not a bad price for an old school camcorder. Hopefully it works though. But yeah, battery's in there. I just gotta, I don't know what this does. Maybe it's a record button. Yeah, I gotta re-up on this. Well guys, thanks for hang time watching me do this unboxing of this very old school JVC camcorder. I'm excited to have it and experiment with it and to see what kind of cool stuff I can do with it for old school filming. Well guys, thanks for the hang time. Big shout out to all my new subscribers for coming aboard, but mainly my OGs. You guys have been there since the beginning. Thank you so much. And as usual, happy collecting. We'll catch you in the next one. Laters.